Hey everyone, welcome back to the original Granite bracket, where today we are unboxing the original multi-pack with GoBoard. And these just aren't any boards. We know they're durable, versatile, and perfect for a whole range of projects. So let's get into it. Here they are. Look at these GoBoard. I like how it just says right on there, lightweight and waterproof. That's exactly the first impression I'm getting. Very lightweight, seems easy to use. Each board measures 48 by 24 by 2 inches thick. Perfect for a variety of uses. Now, this pack that we have right here is a 4-pack, but you can get these in 4-packs or in 6-packs, so you're equipped to start multiple projects or maybe a larger project that you need. And let's talk details about this. These boards are made from the GoBoard, lightweight and waterproof. It's known for its water resistance, which makes it perfect for both indoor or outdoor projects, because honestly, you're not going to have to worry about moisture damage with these. They're also incredibly rigid and durable, yet easy to cut and shape. There's no doubt I can mark this thing up, run a skill saw, whatever it might be, to get it for whatever I need of curbs and panels and walls, or I don't know, maybe even custom platforms. These boards should be able to handle it all. And there you have it, folks, the original multi-pack of GoBoard, versatile, durable, and ready for just about anything you can dream up. So go ahead and grab a pack today, 48 by 24 by 2, whether you need them in a 4-pack or 6-pack.